Hello everyone, this is Thijs, the technical evangelist at Varnish Software, and welcome to 2-Minute Tech Tuesdays, a video series in which we'll cover a technical aspect from Varnish in 2 minutes or less. In today's episode, we'll cover the Massive Storage Engine, or MSE as we tend to abbreviate it. So without any further ado, let's put 2 minutes on the timer and let's get started. The Massive Storage Engine is used by Varnish to store cached objects that were fetched from the origin system, and unlike other storage engines, Massive Storage Engine will use both memory and disk to provide a best of both worlds implementation. The benefit is that you'll be able to cache large volumes of data that might surpass your total memory capacity. This cache is also persisted, meaning that it survives a server restart. And you'll still benefit from the speed of memory because a custom page caching mechanism will ensure that the popular content is always loaded from disk into memory. The allocation of the memory and the sizing of it can be done statically or dynamically by leveraging our memory governor feature. This will size the cache accordingly based on traffic patterns and will ensure a constant memory footprint. The storage aspect of MSE will be especially useful for those who want to cache large volumes of data, such as online video or other large files, or for people who want to build their own CDN. If your environment has dynamic traffic patterns, the memory governor feature will give you the stability you need by sizing the cache accordingly and exercising that constant memory footprint. When restarts do occur, the persistence layer will ensure that the cache is not lost. In terms of architecture, we're not using individual files to store objects. We rather opted for pre-allocated large files that we call the stores. They have file system-like behavior on the inside that streams data through to ensure proper object allocation, continuous free space, and to avoid disk fragmentation. The corresponding metadata is kept in separate memory mapped files, which we call the books. And as mentioned, there is a custom page caching mechanism to ensure that the hot data is stored in memory. To get started with MSE, create a configuration file, define your environment, and specify the memcache size. By setting it to auto, you will be using the memory governor. To enable persistence, please also define books and stores. The mkfs.mse binary will be used to initialize the files of books and stores by pointing it at the right configuration file. And in the end, it's a matter of linking that configuration file to Varnish by specifying the "-s runtime parameter, by mentioning MSE as the storage engine, and by linking the right file. That was the Massive Storage Engine, and that was 2-Minute Tech Tuesdays. Stay tuned for more videos like that and for more tech in 2 minutes or less on a Tuesday.